My name is Kate, and I'm the Youth Director with Northwest Disability Support, and I also co-facilitate the Youth Social Justice Group with NWDSA. And I am here with my puppy, Mr. Doctor, to share my vaccine story. I was really fortunate to be able to access the COVID-19 vaccine in the first phase, and I feel really grateful that I was able to. I live next door to my mother who has a co-concurrent condition, so she's at higher risk for contracting and having serious side effects with the COVID-19 virus. And I also support young folks and adults who experience intellectual and developmental disabilities, and also have lots of friends and loved ones who experience intellectual and developmental disabilities who are at higher risk of having some pretty negative side effects with COVID-19. I made the decision to get my vaccine after reading information that was shared by the Oregon Health Authority and by having some really great conversations with young folks in the social justice youth group and my puppy and my dog, and also talking to friends in the Healthy Lifestyles program that I co-facilitate. I'm really making a point to ask questions of all the really smart humans I get to interact with. And for me, the decision made sense. So I knew 95% effective is a beautiful number. And I also knew how much I missed working in the community and supporting the community. And there was a lot of fear about doing that for me. Fear not only that I would get sick, but that somebody I loved or cared about might also get sick. And I wanted to cut down the chances that I would be a part of that chain and cut down the probability that people I love might get sick from the COVID-19 virus. I was very fortunate to have the privilege of working with some really brilliant women who are very motivated and did a lot for vaccine access. So Angela Jarvis-Helen and Angela Frome at Northwest Disability Support were great advocates and great activists in the community. So I could get vaccinated, but also so folks who I care about who experience intellectual and developmental disabilities and folks who provide care for them, either paid support or national support, could also get their vaccines. It was really cool to be a part of that process with them and to also do some really powerful advocacy about making that system work better. Some of the things about the process that were really interesting for me were, first and foremost, how many barriers there were, and then how grateful I was to have a great support system of folks who were going through this process with me and could help me, and the really powerful chance to then turn that into activism by speaking to folks at the Oregon Health Authority and directly connecting with people in the community, helping folks set up their appointments, and then, of course, having the wonderful experience of my friend Dan and some of our other friends in the community who cheered me on because I was a little scared and needed the bravery and the support of my friends. I definitely would encourage folks who have not yet gotten their vaccine to ask the questions that are on their mind about the process. I know I didn't even understand how vaccine works until we were fortunate enough to work with Dr. Joe Sullivan and have a vaccine Q&A, and he explained it, and it made me feel better after the vaccine when my immune system was building itself up and I felt a little bit yucky knowing that that was my body being strong and being powerful. And it's been really cool to be able to give my friends and family members who are also vaccinated hugs again. It's really cool to have dance parties in real life, and it's really exciting to be able to volunteer with the community again and help other folks access vaccine care. So definitely would encourage those who had questions to email me, an open book, and also to really think about those fears and think about the benefits and realize this is our golden ticket back to being a community again and being connected again. And for this little turkey I'm holding, my tiny little rescue dog, whose 1 year gotcha anniversary is right around the corner, it's been a great chance to go back to dog parks and pet other dog friends. So thinking about my friend Eleanor Bailey, it was also a great chance to pet my friend's furry kitties and furry dogs again, which was great. Thanks.